A very good morning to my panel. Today, I will be presenting my research title The Relationship Between Leadership Style and Employee Engagement Among Factory Workers in Klang Valley. My name is Naomi S. Yasipale, and this study is part of my SSS 3233 project paper 1. And this is my table of content, and I will be explain background of study until pilot study throughout this presentation. My first slide is about background of study. Leadership style is my independent variable for my research. Leadership style refers to how managers guide and influence employees in the manufacturing sector. It includes approaches such as transformational and transactional leadership, which affect communication, motivation, and supervision. Effective leadership improves productivity and workplace environment, while poor leadership may lead to stress and low job satisfaction. And second is my DV, dependent variable, which is employee engagement. Employee engagement refers to the level of commitment, involvement, and enthusiasm employees have toward their work. In manufacturing setting, higher engagement leads to better motivation and productivity, while low engagement can result in ap- absenteeism, poor performance, and higher turnover. Problem that are addressing in this study is for the leadership style inconsistent leadership practices where managers in Klang Valley manufacturing factories use different leadership approaches depending on the situation, leading to confusion and a lack of clear direction among employee. This is reported by Bankura 2023. And poor supervisor employee communication were unclear and contradictory instruction result in misunderstanding of job roles, causing errors, repetitive work, and reduced productivity. And this is supported by Campbell Phillips 2020. And finally, lack of employee recognition, where employees feel undervalued when their efforts and achievement are not acknowledged by management, leading to reduced motivation and engagement. And this is according to Kawatang et al. 2023. And for the employee engagement, the first problem is low employee motivation, where repetitive work routines and insufficient workplace support reduce employee enthusiasm and willingness to perform their job effectively, resulting in low productivity and work performance. And this is supported by Conan et al. 2024. According to Singh 2019, poor emotional attachment to the organization is the second problem where employees feel disconnected due to limited recognition, support, and involvement in organizational decision making, leading to low organizational commitment and work engagement. And finally, absenteeism and turnover intention where disengagement employees are more likely to absent from work or consider leaving the organization, disrupting workflow and reducing organizational performance. And this is supported by Xiong Wen 2020. And the next slide is about research objective and research question. There are three research objectives in my research. First, to identify the leadership style practice among factory workers in the Klang Valley. And second, to examine the level of employee engagement among factory workers in the Klang Valley. And finally, to investigate the relationship between leadership style and employee engagement among factory workers in the Klang Valley. And for the research question, first, what are the leadership style practiced among factory workers in the Klang Valley? Second, what is the level of employee engagement among factory workers in the Klang Valley? And finally, is there a significant relationship between leadership style and employee engagement among factory workers in the Klang Valley? The alternative hypothesis for this research is there is a significant relationship between leadership style and employee engagement among factory workers in the Klang Valley. And next slide is significance of study. This research is significant for four parties, which is employers, manager and supervisors, manufacturing organization, and future researcher. And first is employees. This study is valuable to employees as it increases their awareness of how leadership styles influence their work engagement. Understanding the role of effective leadership can help employee experience better motivation, job satisfaction, psychological well-being, and more positive working environment. And next is manager and supervisor. The findings of this study provide insight for managers and supervisors on how different leadership styles influence employee engagement among factory workers. This can help them improve communication, provide better support, recognize employee contributions, and implement effective leadership practice to enhance employee motivation and performance. And third is manufacturing organizations. This study helps manufacturing organizations improve leadership and employee engagement strategies, leading to higher productivity, lower absenteeism, and turnover intention and better overall organizational performance. And lastly, future researchers. This study adds to the literature on leadership style and employee engagement in Malaysia's manufacturing industry and can serve as a reference for future researchers to investigate other factors affecting employee engagement and organizational outcome. And next is literature review for leadership style. Admonish 2020 found that transformational leadership positively influences employee engagement through job satisfaction and organizational commitment, resulting in a more motivated and engaged workforce. And Power et al. 2020 reported that servant leadership enhances employee engagement by prioritizing employees' needs, well being, and personal development, leading to stronger organizational commitment and performance. And Donker et al. 2021 revealed that effective leadership styles improve employee performance through the organizational commitment, indicating that leadership plays an important role in fostering positive employee attitudes and engagement. And Cherian et al. 2020 concluded that transformational and democratic leadership have stronger positive effects on organizational performance than transactional, autocratic, and laissez-faire leadership, creating a work environment that encourages employee engagement. And let's move forward to literature review employee engagement. Sachs, Grumman, and Zhang 2022 explained that employee engagement exists at both job and organizational levels where organizational support, fairness, and HR practices enhance positive employee attitudes and behaviors. Imam et al. 2023 found that supervisor support and effective communication significantly improve employee engagement through social enhanced theory as employees respond positively to supportive leadership. Abduraimi et al. 2023 highlighted that supportive organizational culture increase employee engagement by improving employees' energy, commitment, and involvement. Vaisuri and Arianto 2021 demonstrated that vigor, dedication, and absorption positively influence employee performance, showing the importance of engaged employees in organization. And next is literature review for leadership styles and employee engagement. The Chai Pair and Saifali 2021 highlighted that leadership styles have a significant relationship with employee engagement. Effective leadership behaviors enhance employees' psychological commitment, motivation, and involvement, while ineffective leadership practices may reduce engagement level. And second, Arizanto et al. 2020 found that leadership styles positively influences employee engagement among manufacturing employees. The study emphasized that effective leadership practices create a supportive workplace environment, encouraging employees to become more committed and effectively involved in their work. And third, Singh and C 2022 reveal that transformational leadership has the strongest positive impact on employee engagement. Leaders who provide motivation, inspiration, and support can increase employees' enthusiasm, dedication, and willingness to contribute toward organizational goals. And lastly, Chai et al. 2024 discovered that servant leadership improves employees' engagement through organizational support and employee resilience. Employee focused leadership approaches help create positive workplace relationship and increase employee emotional cooperation with the work. This slide explains theoretical review. I chose situational leadership theory for leadership style. The situational leadership theory by Hersey and Blanchard 1969 explained that effective leaders adjust their leadership style according to employees' competence, commitment, and workplace situations. According to Reid 2021, leaders modify their leadership behaviors based on employees' readiness and organizational needs. The theory highlights leadership flexibility by allowing leaders to adapt different leadership styles, including authoritative, democratic, transformational, transactional, and laissez-faire depending on the situation. Employees are more likely to demonstrate higher engagement commitment and enthusiasm when supervisors apply leadership style that fit their needs and work environment. And also, Zhu et al. 2022 found that adaptable and supportive leadership encourages employees to become more engaged and contribute positively to organizational performance. And next is theoretical review for employee engagement. I choose Kant's engagement theory for employee engagement. Kant's engagement theory by William A. Kant 1990 explains that employee engagement occurs when employees fully invest themselves physically, cognitively, and emotionally in their work. According to Wang and Chang 2022, engagement is influenced by three psychological conditions: meaningfulness, work is valuable; psychological safety, employees feel safe to express themselves; and psychological availability, employees have sufficient mental, emotional, and physical resources. Employees are more likely to demonstrate higher engagement, commitment, and positive work behavior when these psychological conditions are fulfilled. Pincus 1923 and Kwang and Fei 2020 found that higher employee engagement leads to improved workplace performance and positive employee behavior. Therefore, Kant's engagement theory provides a suitable framework for understanding employee engagement among manufacturing employees in Klang Valley. The next slide is conceptual framework. Conceptual framework for this study is examines the relationship between leadership style, which is independent variable, and employee engagement, dependent variable. The arrows indicates that this study examines the relationship between leadership style and employee engagement among employees in the manufacturing sector. The study aims to determine whether leadership styles have a significant relationship with employee engagement. And this is research design of my study. I use qualitative research design to examine relationship between leadership style and employee engagement. And my target populations are factory workers in Klang Valley. And I use purposive sampling as sampling method. And my sample size is 300 respondents. And I use Van Simcoe Leadership Survey VLS by Van Coleman and Simpson 2015 for my IV. And for DV, I use Utrecht Work Engagement Scale US by Safafel Becker and Selenova 2006. And this slide explains research procedure for my research. First step is preparation, selecting the title of research and identifying the target population, developing the research question, objective, and hypothesis. Then create a questionnaire structure into three sections. First section is demographic information, and the second section is Ben Simcoe Leadership Survey (BLS), and the last section is Utrecht World Engagement Scale (US). And the second step is data collection. Data were collected using Google Form and distributed through online platforms such as WhatsApp, Instagram, and other channels. And the data collected period was 2 to 5 weeks. Next is ethical consideration. An informed consent statement was distributed at the start of the survey to ensure voluntary participation, anon- anonymity, and confidentiality. Ethical principles were strictly maintained, and all data were used solely for academic purpose throughout the research. The next step is data analysis. The data was analyzed using the statistical package for social sciences, which is SPSS, and then run the validity and reliability process to ensure that accuracy and consistency of the instrument. The last step is reporting results. The report will be revised and reviewed to make a necessary adjustment, and finally distribute the final report to the academic supervisor. And the next slide is about research instrument. The primary instrument for the data collections are for the IV, I used Vanit Simcoe Leadership Survey VLS by Van Coleman and Simpson 2015. The purpose of this instrument is to assess employees' perception of their supervisor's leadership style. And I use 5-point Likert scale ranking from 1 to 5, and the key components of this instrument is measure leadership styles, including transformational, transactional, democratic, autocratic, and laissez-faire leadership behaviors. And for the DV, I use Utrecht World Engagement Scale US by Safali and Becker 2008. The purpose of the instrument is to assess the level of employee engagement in their work. And the format I used was 5-point Likert scale ranking from 1 to 5. The key component of the instrument is measures three dimensions of employee engagement, including vigor, dedication, and absorption. And the next slide is pilot study. The pilot study was conducted with 15 respondents to obtain a clearer understanding of the instrument effectiveness and reliability. And the data were analyzed using SPSS version 27. And also the Cronva Alpha of Benisimco Leadership Survey VLS was 0.939. It shows external internal consistency reliability, and for the Cronva alpha of Utrecht work engagement scale US was 0.872, and it shows a good internal consistency reliability. So this item used to measure both variable in the questionnaire and a good internal consistency reliability. That's all from me. Thank you so much.